In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create separate workspaces in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful productivity platform that allows you to streamline tasks, manage projects, and collaborate with your team efficiently. One of its standout features is the ability to create separate workspaces, which is perfect for keeping different teams, projects, or personal tasks organized. Whether you're managing your marketing team, handling client projects, or just staying on top of personal to-dos, setting up distinct workspaces can help you stay focused and productive. Let's dive right in and explore how to set this up step by step. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and log into your account. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Once you're logged in, you'll notice your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Switch Workspace. This is where you can manage all your existing workspaces and create new ones. Now, look for the option that says Create New Workspace and click on it. This will start the setup process for your new workspace. Next, you'll need to enter a clear and descriptive name for your workspace. Think about what this workspace will be used for and choose a name that reflects its purpose. For example, you might name it Marketing Team, Client Projects, or Personal Tasks. A clear name will make it easier to identify and navigate between workspaces later. Once you've entered the name, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. You'll be asked to confirm details like the workspace name and set some initial preferences. Don't worry, these preferences can always be adjusted later if needed. After setting up the basics, you'll have the option to invite people to your workspace. This is a great way to add team members, clients, or collaborators. You can assign roles to each person, such as admin, member, or guest, based on the level of access you want them to have. Now that your team is added, it's time to organize your workspace. Start by creating spaces for major areas or categories. Spaces act as the top-level structure within your workspace, so consider organizing them around key themes like projects, operations, or clients. For example, you might have a space for marketing, another for development, and a third for administrative tasks. Once your spaces are set up, you can add folders and lists within each space to mirror your workflows. Folders help group related tasks or processes together, while lists allow you to break things down into smaller, actionable steps. For instance, under a marketing space, you might create folders for campaigns or social media, with lists for each specific task. As you're setting this up, make sure to maintain consistent naming conventions across your workspace, spaces, folders, and lists. This consistency will make navigation much easier and ensure that everything stays organized as your workspace grows. Finally, remember that you can switch between workspaces at any time. Simply click your profile icon in the top left corner, select Switch Workspace from the drop-down menu, and choose the workspace you want to access. This makes it simple to move between different areas of your work without losing focus. And that's it. With your workspaces set up and organized, you're ready to start using ClickUp to its full potential. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.